In some more news that we are picking up from the valley this morning, again you have another ceasefire that has been violated by Pakistan along the LOC. Now this time happened in the Kamalkot sector of Uri, where heavy firing is underway and retaliatory response that has been given befittingly by India. So another unprovoked ceasefire violation taking place by Pakistan, and we have seen how it continues to target our military forward post and also when it comes to civilian areas as well. In the last 2 days, over 30 ceasefire violations by Pakistan have been reported, whether be it in Jammu or whether be it in Kashmir as well. In Uri, now this is the latest where ceasefire violation has been reported. Zeenat getting us more details. Yes, Zeenat, over to you, please.
Yes, Amita, a civilian has been injured as cross-border shelling erupted in Uri's Kamalkot sector of North Kashmir's Baramulla district. The shelling is taking place at the Guahalan, Chukar, Kikar and Kathi post in the Uri sector, and the Indo-Pak exchanged the heavy cross-border shelling was reported around 3 a.m. with the mortars, heavy mortars first, and then it shifted to the small arms in this sector. So far, the cross-border shelling is on. Also, one of the civilians who has now been identified as the Riyaz Ahmad of Kamalkot has been taken to the sub-district hospital Uri for the treatment. We have been seeing the cross-border shelling for the last 3 days, particularly in high manner from the Kamalkot sector of this Uri, or we talk about the international border. But till 3 a.m. we are witnessing the cross-border shelling in Kamalkot, Uri.
All right, so another ceasefire violation that has been reported. Thanks very much for the moment, Zeenat, for joining us with the details.